Matthias Holes is a dynamic leader, we call him Matt for short, serving as the regional director for and the Caribbean, Latin America and the Caribbean at MPAS Corporation. With a strong background in international business and a track record of successful leadership, Matt brings a wealth of experience to his role. His strategic vision and deep understanding of the Latin America and Caribbean markets have driven the expansion and growth of MPAS in the region. Under his guidance, organizations have benefited from innovative information management solutions that streamline operations, enhance compliance, and foster collaboration. Matt's passion for leveraging technology to drive business efficiency and his dedication to delivering exceptional customer experiences make him a driving force in the company's mission to revolutionize how businesses manage their information.
Hey everyone, I appreciate ScanBox giving us the opportunity to be here with you today. Thank you, Rishi and Sonia, for having shared those valuable insights. In the upcoming 25 minutes or so, we will delve into how MFAS can play a pivotal role in helping you comply with the Jamaican Data Protection Act. Moreover, we will uncover how MFAS can streamline your efficiency and enhance both customer and employee satisfaction. My name is Matthias Holes, and I'm the Regional Director for Latin and Caribbean at MFAS. For those now struggling to pronounce my first name, Matt will do just fine. Drawing from over 2 decades of industry expertise, I have seen how right information management solution can truly transform a business. Should our presentation today leave you with any unanswered questions, please do not hesitate to contact ScanBox or myself. We are here to assist you and provide the answers you need. Founded in 2002, guided by our founder and CEO, Anthony Walla, MFAS specializes in information management solutions. With a dedicated team of over 600 employees, we proudly serve over 5,000 global customers. With a family-run business culture and values, we stand apart from the competition. We have expanded organically since 2002, steering clear of forced mergers, all the while venturing into new markets. As a result, we are a true pure-play platform, able to bring innovative solutions to industries worldwide. Rooted in Finnish heritage, we have strong core values of making it happen, helping others, and loving customers guide us. MFAS is recognized as a visionary for its metadata-driven approach to information management, workflow automation, and collaboration. Additionally, we have been named the safest choice for the future. MFAS empowers users to locate and view information precisely as they prefer, while at the same time, they can use what managers or peers have shared with them. This adaptable approach acknowledges the varied requirements of distinct roles within an organization. Our platform offers a wide range of use cases, from automating processes to building custom workflows. MFAS can adapt to all those various needs. Benefits that have been experienced by our customers upon adapting MFAS encompass enhancement in efficiency, simplifying analog processes, transparency, of course saving costs, continuous compliance adherence, and digital transformation enhancing customer support. Towards the end of the presentation, I also have a more detailed customer success story to review with you. Here are some of the global trends our customers are telling us they see. Many solutions in the market remain challenging to use as they lack the flexibility and require frequent switching between applications. Keeping up, let alone staying ahead, can prove to be a significant challenge. Seamlessly integrated digital and mobile experience are now considered a basic requirement. Clients and employees are demanding more efficiency, flexibility, and automation. Ever-changing compliance requirements and information security risks demand constant attention. And yet, many organizations are still relying on manual and often very analog processes, offering little transparency and flexibility to work remotely. Information is being stored based on where something is and not what something is and what else it relates to. As organizations expand and data volume and the number of repositories increase, this approach presents challenges, especially when more tools are being introduced. All these applications that demand frequent switching, copying, pasting, and problem solving for the staff. MFAS is the only completely metadata-driven document management platform. That means it can connect to your disparate systems, and pull the information together into a single view of everything relevant to the user, where access permissions can automatically change throughout the workflow based on the user's role. This allows staff to find, automate, connect to, and also collaborate on virtually anything. Using mFiles, it no longer matters where something is stored. It only matters what it is and what it's related to. Here's the million-dollar question. How do we strike the perfect balance between over-investing in compliance and mitigating the very real risks of fines, reputation loss, or even the unthinkable, closing down the business? mFiles ensures that information is automatically categorized and access is granted only to those entitled, allowing you to maintain a secure and dynamic environment, safeguarding a single source of the truth, able to surface where needed. Every data access is tracked and controls are automated. Human interactions are simplified through workflows, tasks, and personalized views. Compliance built in with automatically executed controls, collecting evidence as your staff work, everything ready to be referenced during an audit. Even when installed on-premise, mFiles continues to uphold compliance with certifications such as ISO, SOC, and GDPR. Choosing to leverage mFiles Cloud, organizations gain the ability to manage documents and information without the need for additional investment in local server infrastructure, and of course the ongoing maintenance. Our cloud service is designed to adapt and grow with evolving business requirements, all without a substantial initial investment. mFiles Cloud offers a deployment characterized by encryption, certification, and a design focused on high availability, scalability, and fault-tolerant architecture. This includes features such as automatic replication and data isolation options. When mFiles operates within our Azure cloud environment, it aligns with an extensive array of standards, again including ISO and GDPR amongst others. This alignment ensures that an organization's data management is not only efficient and flexible, but also secure and compliant with the most rigorous international regulations, similar to the Jamaican Data Protection Act. With mFiles Cloud hosted on the Microsoft Azure platform, organizations no longer need to maintain and update their server environment, monitor the system, or ensure that backups are running properly, perform periodic backup, restore testing, verify and maintain the security of the system. We have enabled our partner ScanBox to facilitate all of that and provide you with reliability, scalability, and security using mFiles on Microsoft Azure. Despite the efficiency of Microsoft tools in content creation and collaboration, the aspect of information management is often overlooked. This is where mFiles steps in to enhance the Microsoft 365 investments and provides the solution for business processes and information governance. By integrating seamlessly with Microsoft 365, mFiles serves as the central hub for all enterprise data. This means you can efficiently locate, access, and manage all linked data, regardless of its storage location, all through the familiar Microsoft user interfaces. M365 is about creation and collaboration and provides the tools to create and work together. On the other hand, mFiles emphasizes organization and finding, using metadata-driven management to ensure that content is easily searchable, well-organized, and protected. Microsoft 365 offers specialized applications for various tasks, from email to project management, where mFiles takes a broader approach, optimizing end-to-end workflows, not just individual tasks, but streamlining the entire process. Primarily focusing on Office content, M365 caters to the daily needs of Office professionals. mFiles goes far beyond, covering all enterprise content, managing information across the entire organization, integrating with various applications, not just within the M365 environment. In a perfect world, we would all have closets perfectly organized so that every article of clothing we own, as well as other items, could be located and used in seconds. Closets are not practical at all if we cannot find what we need when we need it. That is where mFiles comes in, organizing your closet. Let's have a quick glance at mFiles user interface in Windows File Explorer, Teams, and SharePoint. mFiles integrates directly into Windows File Explorer, appearing as a standard drive, allowing users to directly open and store information from Windows applications. Despite the seamless integration, mFile security and compliance features remain in effect. Access controls, versioning, and audit trails continue to function, ensuring that the integrity and security of the content are maintained. Users can also drag and drop files into mFiles via File Explorer, just as they would with any other folder. This makes storing and organizing documents straightforward and intuitive. You can have one or more secure information vaults, depending on the requirements of your organization. When I double-click on the mFiles DMS vault, mFiles opens right there in Windows File Explorer, showing me something that looks like a folder structure. In mFiles, we call them views, and each view is in essence a saved search that will display the results for a set of predefined metadata. Also notice the external views towards the bottom. Our intelligent metadata connectors allow mFiles to find and show files from those repositories right here in the mFiles search results. Searching for the customer CDH shows me results from a network folder, from a SharePoint site, and from mFiles. In this example, I'm working on 2 customer projects for which I decided to create dedicated views, since I will need access to these customer files multiple times a day, and it will save me time searching. These views will show me all information related to them, regardless where the information came from. When I double-click on CDH International, I'm presented with a grouped objects like documents, cases, and projects. And when I select an object like multi-file document and unfold it, I can see, for example, the PDF document. 2 panes appear and show me the metadata and a full text searchable preview. In this case, I have a related document as well. It's the audit trail from our DocuSign integration, which I have used to get the external digital signatures. When I click on the metadata tab on the right side, I can temporarily hide that pane so that I can read the document better. In the end, that will also depend on the screen size of the user. Since we manage information in mFiles based on metadata, I can see what it's related to. There's an agreement owner, a contact person, and the document is related to one project. Unfolding the related project, I see this relates to the infrastructure building project. Unfolding the project members, I see that the digital signature user is related to 4 other objects. Unfolding those will show me the document, project members related to those projects. This is a 360-degree view, which allows you to uncover otherwise hidden information about your stored information. The mFiles embedded SharePoint integration enables users to locate information in the same manner as we observed a moment ago using Windows File Explorer. All permissions and audit trails are rigorously enforced, corresponding to the logged-in user account. When a SharePoint site is configured for a specific customer or project, mFiles can utilize a view to present all relevant information for that customer or project right away at the top level. Our Microsoft Teams add-in has been designed to enhance collaboration. It integrates mFiles content directly into your Teams channels, ensuring secure and compliant collaboration. When an external individual is invited to a channel, the channel owner has the discretion to grant or deny access to the shared mFiles content within that specific Teams channel. External channel members, once granted access, don't require using mFiles credentials to view the content in that channel, since the account on Teams is automatically associated with an mFiles user account. mFiles continues to prioritize compliance, maintaining a comprehensive audit trail where all events are logged as a standard practice. One of the key benefits of this sharing method within Teams is the prevention of duplicate content across the various channels. This ensures also that everyone is working with the most up-to-date version. More importantly, you can dictate what content may be shared externally, ensuring alignment with your unique needs and compliance obligations. mFiles uses metadata for contextual search, contrasting with Microsoft 365's folder-based navigation. While Microsoft 365 relies on static folder and site restrictions, mFiles provides dynamic access control based on various business factors. mFiles serves as a unified access point within Microsoft 365, streamlining the management of all enterprise data. An automated audit trail is available with mFiles, tracking content access and edits. mFiles adds layers of intelligence and flexibility to Microsoft 365, aligning content management with business operations. In the illustrated example, we are looking at a non-disclosure agreement from an mFiles managed Word template. Right-clicking on the file brings up the contextual menu. When the permissions have been granted, the user is able to see and select history. The version history shows all maintained versions of this document. Version 1, the original non-disclosure Word template used to create the document. Version 3, the automated conversion from Word to PDF. Version 4 was sent in this case to DocuSign to collect external signatures. Version 5 is the current version, which is a multi-archive containing the signed PDF from DocuSign and also the DocuSign audit trail, which in this case is called summary. Depending the user's permissions, the state of the workflow, and all kinds of other variables, versions can be rolled back. Whichever previous selected version will become the current version upon rollback. Doing so will not delete the current version. Instead, it has now become the previous version. Version 1 currently selected, the preview and workflow both confirm the document has not yet been signed. Version 5 currently selected, the preview and workflow both confirm the document is signed and in force as per the workflow state. The event log in mFiles plays a crucial role in ensuring accountability, transparency, and compliance within the organization. It provides a detailed and tamper-evident log of all activities, allowing for thorough monitoring and analysis. You can use column filters for quick filtering purposes, or use a filtered view, which you can additionally save for quick access later. This will narrow down the results for easier viewing. Detailed custom events allow to provide evidence of, for example, that an object, in this case a document, was previewed, opened in the associated Windows application, and exported from mFiles to the user's device. Something that is worthwhile mentioning, mFiles can prevent users to see, print, download based on a combination of various criteria, like workflow status, the user's role, or the object type, for example. mFiles offers a comprehensive and intelligent approach to record management that aligns perfectly with requirements like those of data protection. Our partner ScanBox will identify all record types within the organization and utilize their extensive expertise to configure mFiles to comply with the requirements for those record types. By leveraging mFiles features and capabilities, organizations can ensure that they handle personal data in a manner that is secure, transparent, and compliant. Whether it's through intelligent classification, robust access control, or automated workflows, mFiles provide the tools needed to navigate a complex landscape of data protection and privacy in this modern world. As promised, towards the end of the presentation, we would look at a customer success story, in this case in financial services. Stearns Bank is a $2 billion independently owned financial institution with locations in Minnesota, Florida, and Arizona. They provide their services to over 33,000 small business customers nationwide. They specialize in small business lending and equipment financing. To support corporate growth, Stearns Bank needed a centralized document management system for its bank and branches to solve inefficiencies across the organization, including compliance, vendor management, accounts receivable, and accounts payable. The IT manager was responsible for making this project happen. There were some challenges. Documents were scattered across offices and network drives, which led to frustrated customers. Manual and paper-based processes were inefficient, expensive, and time-consuming. While they luckily never had a breach, their security practices were vulnerable, and compliance risk was a huge problem. The IT manager rolled out mFiles to the entire company, and it revolutionized their business. The entire business now runs off of mFiles. With more than 80 automated workflows, every piece of the business is now part of a workflow. Compliance practices and audits are better, faster, and more secure. Thanks to the IT manager's vision and leadership, Stearns Bank has now been transformed. Their staff is working more efficiently, customer satisfaction has increased dramatically, they have seen major cost and time savings, and they've significantly reduced not only their security and compliance risks, but also the time and effort it takes to manage audits. With all their files digitalized in a secure location and auditable, they have completely eliminated on-site audits, and the fully remote audit now takes 50% of the time they used to. freeing up employees to better serve their customers, and they can even audit the auditors. The bottom line is they would not have been able to grow their current size if the IT manager had not chosen mFiles, because with mFiles, Stearns Bank. Thank you everyone for your attention. And now we have some time left for Q&A.